Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got all new working codes for Roblox. 99 nights in the forest, and some of these codes might expire anytime. So make sure you watch carefully till the very end. There's even a secret code hidden in this video, so don't skip a single moment. Watch closely and grab all the rewards, because to join the giveaway, all you have to do is comment your Roblox username below. If any code doesn't work, comment again, and I'll personally help you out. And of course, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss any new codes. Whether it's Blox Fruits, Dress to Impress, or 99 Nights in the Forest, we've got all the latest working codes for you. The developers have just released some amazing new updates, including new skins, new maps, and exclusive challenges. So you don't want to miss out on any of the fun. Some of these codes even give free diamonds and other exciting rewards that will help you level up faster and unlock special outfits. Make sure to check every code carefully, because some of them are hidden or secret, and you'll need to pay close attention to grab them all. Imagine walking through the forest, collecting diamonds, solving challenges, and discovering rare secret codes. It's super exciting, and trust me, it's completely worth it. Also, don't forget to comment your Roblox username if you want to join the special giveaway and win exclusive items. Alright, grab your notepad, get ready, and let's jump right into all the latest working codes and enjoy the brand new updates in Roblox, 99 Nights in the Forest.